Hi, I'm Lee Hickel, Pitmaster of Red Mule's Badass Barbecue, 2019 IBCA Cooker of the Year, out of Sinton and Aransas Pass, Texas. If you want to take your backyard barbecue, your competition barbecue to a championship level, I'm the man. Let me take you under my wing.
That right there is what this class is all about. Tender, juicy, I can just see the juice glistening off of it.
Let me teach you all of my techniques, my strategies, my meat preparation, my meat inspection. They call that the money muscle because that's where the deliciousness, the good flavor, and in a competition,
you get you paid.
You get you paid. That's where you get your money right here.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. My injections, my brines, my fire control management. I absolutely love pecan and the bark. It gives me a good smoke ring on it. Let me teach you everything I know that I do week in, week out on the barbecue circuit. I can show you everything from the brisket, the chicken, the ribs, the pork. Guys, gals, I can teach you everything to be a champion. Just click on that button, buy now so you can be a grand champion, a champion of your cul-de-sac for all the tailgate, the backyard parties, the weddings. If you're in charge of cooking anything for any event that is any of these barbecue meats that I'm gonna teach you today, folks, let me tell you, when you have my recipes, you will be a champion. Let me make you the king of the cul-de-sac.
That right there is what it's all about. That smoke ring across the top, the juice that's glistening off of that.
What are you waiting for? Go ahead and click now. Don't forget, when you buy my all access class, you will get a private Facebook link to me and I can help you with any concerns you have. You take my class and I can have you take your backyard barbecue, your competition cooking to a level you never thought was possible. Click now and learn to cook like me, 2019 IBCA Cooker of the Year, Pitmaster of Red Mule's Badass Barbecue.